Hello, hi guys. Today I'm gonna show how to fix Xbox error code access denied. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So guys, our first step is to check your internet connection. For the quick fix, please disable and enable the Wi-Fi connection, and then as well as you need to enable the airplane mode once and then disable it. It's only for quick fix, and also you need to check your router. So once it's done, our second step is to reset Microsoft Store cache. So for that you need to press Windows R. Over there please type ws reset.exe and then hit enter. It automatically redirect to the Microsoft Store. Once it restart, please close it. So the third step is to replay the Xbox application. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings you need to enter into application and then installed apps. Over the installed apps you need to search for Xbox and the three dot icon, enter into the advanced option. Then please click repair and do reset one by one. Once you reset, your credential will be deleted. You need to log in your once again to using your credentials. So the fourth step is to repair gaming services. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings you need to enter into apps and then installed apps and then search for gaming. Please click the three dot icon and enter into the advanced option. Over there please do repair and reset. So as I told, once you do the reset you need to enter your credential once again to log in. Yeah, once it's done please close it. So the fifth step is to disable proxy settings. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over there please enter into network and internet. Please scroll down, you may see proxy. Please click setup to disable it. Yeah, in our case it's in off condition, so it's good to go. Please save it and close it. The next step, the sixth step, is to repair gaming services. For that you need to search for Windows PowerShell as run as administrator mode. Once you opened, please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. So the first prompt is to uninstall the gaming services, and the second prompt is to reinstall it. To automatically redirect to the Microsoft Store. Over there you need to install the gaming services. Once you're done, please type exit or close it. Yeah, it's installed. So over here you can type exit or you can simply close it. So the next step, the seventh step, is to update Windows. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings you need to enter into the Windows update and then click check for update. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot it. So the eighth step is to install the Xbox application. For that you need to uninstall using your installed apps. So once you uninstalled, please do enter into the Microsoft Store or else your web browser to reinstall it. Sometimes it's fix it. So the ninth step is to run system file checker. Over there please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. It need to be load from 0 to 100. It's approximately take 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm just speeding my video. Once it's done, please check the status. Yeah, after that please copy the second prompt in the description and paste it over there. Yeah, same, it need to be load from 0 to 100. It need 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's done, please check the status whether it's success or unsuccess. If in case it shows unsuccess, you need to redo the step again after restart it. So our last step is to reset or restart your PC. I hope you enjoy the video and the issue will be solved. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Bye bye.